Hey, yo, Zip Zip, the Zip's up here. Today I'm gonna check if the Hoover Dam is cool or not. And if it isn't, then we'll boo it. First, there's stairs. There's no stairs on the other side, but I'm still taking points off. I have stairs. The stairs are overrated. I'm taking another point off for the highway. I'm adding a point for benches and learning, so there's another point. There's nothing over here. Although that is a good view. You can see the water over there, way over there. And on the other side is Arizona. Yay! This is the non-stairs. Here's a picture I took, but you have to decide in the comments if I should stick to Chuck or if it leaves.